we are going to continue practice in making groups of 10. This time is just going to be number sentences for practice, okay? So I'm going to do a few examples and then you will show me what you can do, okay? And then for this one, we are making number bonds, and I'll show you what a bond is right now. But basically, here's your number sentence. 9 plus 1 plus 5 equals something, okay? Like I told you in the last video, you can use beans. You can just put a line, put your beans here, or you can draw circles, okay? I'm going to draw on this one just because I don't have too much space, but I have 9, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 plus 1 plus 5. We're still making groups of 10, okay? So we need to look at this and which two of these numbers make 10. What do you think? 5 plus 1? No. 9 plus 5? That's too much. What about 9 plus 1? Let's see, you have 9 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that makes 10. So this is a number bond right here. You're going to circle the two numbers that make 10. And you're going to bond them together like circles. Okay? So 9 plus 1 equals 5, which is the same thing as 10 plus 5 equals, what's 10 plus 5? If you don't know, remember, you can draw your circles or use your beans. But I know 10 plus 5 equals 15. So 9 plus 1 plus 5 equals 15. Or 10 plus 5 equals 15. It just makes it easier because instead of using 3 numbers, you're putting these two together to make 10. And that way you only use 2 numbers. And here's my example right here. See, they did the same thing. They didn't draw, but they bonded them together. 9 plus 1, you put them together and it makes 10. And then you can do 10 plus 5 equals 15. Okay, so I'm going to do this second example. Okay, the second example says 8 plus 2 plus 4 equals, you can draw your circles if it helps you. That's 8 plus 2 plus 4. I know 2 plus 4 is 6, so these aren't going to make my bonds. What about 8 plus 2? You have 8, 9, 10. That makes 10. So I'm going to bond these together, and that makes 10. So 8 plus 2 is the same as 10. So instead of saying 8 plus 2 plus 4 equals, I can say 10 plus 4 equals. And it's easier because I know that 10 plus 4 equals what? 14. Okay, so right here, I would bond the 8, the 2, just like this, to make 10. And the answer is 14. Okay, so on your own, I want you to do this one and this one. Just grab a sheet of paper, put number, it's 8 and 9, so just put number 8, which is 3 plus 5 plus 5 equals, okay, bond the numbers. You don't have to draw your circles or put your beans, but you can if it helps you. Okay, and then do number 9. 3 plus 6 plus 7. I'll post a picture so you can see it better. Okay, and then you just snap a picture and turn it in. Remember, if you need any help, I'm here to help. But this is basically what you're doing. These are called bonds, okay? And your bonds have to make 10. Remember, if you want to use beans, that's fine. Okay, if you want to use macaronis, if you want to use Legos, whatever you have, or if you just want to draw them, that can help you too.